Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day. It is Tuesday, the 17th of March, and I'm just going to give you a quick update on where we are because each week it feels like so much is getting done on the engineering side, and it's perhaps one of the most exciting times, in my opinion, for Elastos. There's the markets. We can say that there's pricing issues. There's all kinds, but actually we're driving forward now on the 2018 white paper vision and a tangible product. And I'm just so excited because we finally have a mandate to do this, and the team are all well equipped and we're making progress. So first and foremost, I've updated the elastilabs.com website. Please check it out. You can see what the whole vision is about, what we're building, and what the real goal is. It's really the world computer you own with an economy inside run by your own agents. But what is the world computer? The world computer really is millions come billions of self-sovereign nodes that are all interconnected. They have their own operating system environment like this, and they have apps inside. You run dApps, you pull value to your own node and you execute locally, opposed to today where we go to websites and we visit other places and then we don't have control over our data and everything gets extracted. It's we lose our privacy, we leave our rights, and if you want to monetize data, you hand that to a platform and then they have the keys to your data and then they give you something back, but you don't have ownership. So your own sovereign node means you can actually control it's like your own home. You have private property, you can buy and hold goods inside your sofa, your TV, except this can be a whole range of digital assets. And then we can start to think about as well how you communicate with each other and all the value that it can bring with sovereign AI, being able to build your own. I really believe in your own PC2 node, you're going to be able to build your own world increasingly more, and you really are the master of your kingdom. And this hasn't happened before. So that is the world computer. Nice little animation just to show it, and it's yours. So it's all about giving you the sovereign node with your own decentralized login, your compute, your storage, everything's encrypted to your decentralized login, which is tethered to your private seed phrases, and you can do a whole world of things. So yeah, come check it out. We've got a product now that we're driving forward. You can learn about all the value that we're building here. We've got all the links, the downloads, the command lines if you're interested, and then there's the docs.elasti where you can actually find all the information. When we look at the map, this is a new animation of the map. This is live data. We just reached 100 nodes. So, let's keep driving this forward. Next year, let's imagine million nodes, and then let's imagine 10 million nodes, and we keep building. It's like for the first time people have private property online and they're building their homes in the world computer, and it's protected under blockchain law. So everything is governed through blockchain. 17 nodes are online right now, 4 super nodes, which are like the AT&T carriers. They help route you to the right node. If you want to get sent a delivery, say use Elasti to buy a video or to buy a game, the AT&T carriers help route you so the delivery can get to your node. Again, this will grow over time too. You can go to map.ela.city if you want to actually see the live stats and data. You can check it out, and likewise see all the list of nodes that are running. Cool. So check it out. All the links are here. We have Elasticity as well. So I've done the Elasticity exchange and everything we're building. All the information here. This is about turning every asset you have into equity. So when you give your media to YouTube or your music to Spotify or your application to Apple, what you're really doing is handing over the keys to your value, and then they're monetizing it on your behalf, and then you're getting the share of the profit back. But you're not actually a capitalist. You don't own the data. And so what we now enable you to do is essentially with your own sovereign home or your shop, to actually package your dApp, your music, whatever it is, into a vending machine. So it's essentially a tokenized asset that you control under your decentralized identity, but people can pay to access it. And like a vending machine, it pays out every time someone uses it. And you can assign all the different people who are involved in the production of that asset, and it's all immediate, peer-to-peer. And when someone buys the rights to whichever asset that they purchase from you, it gives them the ability to then download it to their personal sovereign node, and then they can validate the rights against the blockchain, which proves that they own it, and then they can actually decrypt and run it. I'm going to show you this because in Elasticity, in ElastOS, this isn't live yet, but there's been incredible progress in bringing in the DRM side. So bear in mind that this isn't live just yet, and to get this live in the next update. But here we have a dApp. It's running locally. This is on my own personal device right now, and it's connected to sellers around the world computer. So these are different shop owners selling different assets, and these are all tokenized assets. They're encrypted, and the only way that I can actually read it is I have to purchase it. It pays everyone immediately. I can then download the asset, and then I can actually validate my rights against the blockchain, the world computer, and then I can run it. So in this case, we can see I have a library. These are pre-existing assets which I own. I've purchased these, and I can actually go ahead and which one shall I open? We've been doing media a lot over the last few years with video and audio, but we're starting now to be able to introduce PDFs, text files, images, ebooks, videos, music, and then we move towards games and then also dApp Store as well. So this is like, we're trying to be, as Elasticity, the Amazon of Web3, of the world computer. So every type of asset is available. You can buy and trade it. And in this case, I own a text file. I actually have it already downloaded, but you download it to your rights. It validates the rights against the network. I own it and it decrypts it, and I can now see it. Now, this is a special runtime player. We've built a new runtime, and its job is to validate your rights, to receive the key to decrypt the content, and to do it in a secure execution environment. So this is a brand new runtime player we've built. It's in Rust. It uses WebAssembly. And yeah, I'm just so excited because now suddenly we can have more assets. It's not just about video and audio, but we want to have every type of asset. But this is a brand new media player or a video Rust runtime player. And you can see here, I just validated my rights. I own a copy. Again, you can save it. So everyone runs their own decentralized file storage node, and every asset has inside the token a fingerprint that shows where it comes from. So kind of like torrenting, I bought the rights. I can now actually download it. And you can see here just now, I just downloaded it to my documents. I have it. It's an encrypted asset. So you need to have the rights in order to run it. And in the same way, we've done video. So I've got videos here. You can see here, I've got a video here. Again, I bought this from the market. I can actually validate my rights, and it's checking, do I own the access tokens? I do. It's then getting the access, getting the key, and it's decrypting the content in, again, a brand new runtime for video and audio that's in ElastOS, made Rust, and go ahead and play. So, we can now start to buy assets. You buy the rights, and then you pull the data to your personal environment where you then can actually validate your rights and you can run it locally. No one can extract any data or value from me because I'm not going to third-party platforms. I'm buying externally and bringing it to my own personal node. And then, by doing so, everyone's owning their own data, they're trading data, and it's for the first time internet capitalism online. So these are some updates. We did stuff with WireGuard and connecting from anywhere in the world. And besides that, I just encourage everyone to go check out all the work we're doing. This is all online. It's all available for us. We're just going to keep driving this home. Web3 needs this more than we realize, because Web3 has just been based primarily on speculation. It's promised a revolution, but actually what it's really done is just extracted money from everyone. And I know even in Elastos, there's many people that feel like, feel hard done by as an investor, myself included. You look at most tokens and the industry has been completely brought to its knees. And so the only way, like the dot-com crash where it was pure speculation, the only way to move forward into the next phase is through real business models, real value, and actually the delivery of what was originally promised. And this is it. You're owning your own software, your own node. You are sovereign home in this new digital world, and then you have a whole tokenized market where you can trade value peer to peer. We'll do peer to peer comms, and then the dApp Store will just get more and more exciting with the things you can do. And this is the next generation internet. So thank you everyone for sticking firm. We carry on building. So much progress is happening. A lot of what I've shown you today traditionally would take a long time to build, but we're leveraging all the tool sets we have to build this as quickly as possible. And that's thanks to the Elastos DAO and everyone who supports. We keep driving forward. Wishing everyone a great day, and thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.